When our company was founded almost 50 years ago today, it was built with one principle in mind: design products that can handle the harshest of agricultural environments. Heat, dust, moisture, and other extreme conditions, our products were designed to endure it all. Our heating, ventilation, and electronic controls were designed from day one to handle environments that others couldn't. Over 20 years ago today, we took that same rugged technology and we built a portable evaporative cooling fan using industrial grade components and wrapping it in an all stainless steel housing. That housing truly made the fan stand out. No corrosion, no warping from heat or UV, just a fan built to last decades. About 10 years later, we added the black powder-coated galvanized fan to give our customers more options and more price points. In recent years, we've redesigned and reimagined that unit in the 36-inch PolarCool PRO with more water capacity and a smaller footprint. But during this update, we made a big decision to discontinue the stainless steel fans. And honestly, that just didn't feel right. So today, we're changing that. I'm proud to introduce the all-new 36-inch stainless steel PolarCool PRO. This model brings every improvement from the new 36-inch Pro, but delivers it in an impenetrable stainless steel housing. Pure durability, pure performance, and a return back to the rugged roots that this brand was built on. So if you're looking for top-of-the-line cooling, built with premium materials, designed to last for decades, and available at direct-to-consumer pricing, then the all-new 36-inch stainless steel PolarCool PRO is the unit for you.